welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today, as you guys see, I have no makeup on my face, which means it's gonna be a skincare video. Since I wanted to show you guys exactly how my skin is looking like after using the products that I'm gonna talk about later in the video, I want you guys to see it up close and personal, and this is exactly how my skin looks like, and you have already seen it before, so you know the difference. Alright, so today I'm gonna talk to you guys about some very affordable skincare products that are gonna give you glowing skin, and also it makes your skin look very healthy and nice. Like nice in a way, it looks like your skin has all the good ingredients, and I don't know, it just looks healthy. Look at my skin, it looks glowing, it looks healthy, and I have literally no makeup on my face. So if you guys are interested, make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so there is this one question that is so consistent on my DMs and in my comment section, that is, how do you get glowing skin, or how do I deal with dark spots, pigmentation around my mouth, around my face, forehead and all of that. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys always know that I always talk about this one ingredient that I always say that you need to have in your skincare routine, so that it gives you the skin of your dreams. Basically, it gives you healthy looking glowing skin, and that is vitamin C. Honestly, if you have never tried vitamin C, you are missing on so much. So if you already are a vitamin C user, you already know what a miracle of an ingredient it is. But in case you're a beginner and you don't know much about it, basically vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your skin cells from UV rays and the free radicals that damage your skin. Basically, when you go out in the sun, you get, the UV rays fall on your skin and it damages your skin. You get sunburn, your skin burns, and you get that tanning. So basically it removes that, it protects your skin. It also gives an amazing radiance, it brightens your skin from within, and also it inhibits the melanin production in your skin. Basically you get that brown spot, that is because of the melanin production in your skin. It stops that. So whatever pigmentation that you have on the skin, either it's the dark forehead around your mouth, or around your nose, or wherever you have that pigmentation on your skin, vitamin C is going to reduce that over the time. Like, of course, you need to be consistent with these products so that they can show the actual true result and you can get the skin that you want. Alright, so now that we know what vitamin C is, let's talk about the product. So the first product, that is, it's this serum by Lakme. This is the Lakme 925 vitamin C plus serum. This is how the bottle looks like. So first of all, the bottle comes in a tinted glass packaging, which is really good because you don't want to store vitamin C in direct sunlight. You don't want to keep it where you have sunlight or sun rays around the house. You want to keep it inside your drawer so that there is no sunlight exposure, because vitamin C, when comes in contact with the sunlight, it can get bad. So basically then it won't be any of use to you, and it will harm your skin doing more instead of doing good. So basically that's a great thing that it comes in a tinted bottle, so it protects the vitamin C. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is really liquidy, so it is very lightweight. Let me just show you guys the texture. So this is the texture, like look at that, how liquidy that is. All right, so it takes literally seconds to get absorbed into your skin. You can already see that on the video, and as you can see, this is how it looks. It literally gets absorbed into your skin very soon. So it is very lightweight. All right, so it is like a water consistency. Basically, it's not a heavy duty serum. It gets absorbed really quickly. So if you're a dry skin type, you'll love it. If you are an oily skin or combination skin, you'll still like it. You will love it because it does not feel heavy on the skin. It absorbs really quickly, and you will literally not feel like you have anything on your skin. And it also gives a very cooling sensation to your skin, so it's also very calming. All right, so how you need to apply the serum is, you just need to take 1 or 1.5 pumps of it, and that's all. You don't need more than that, and you'll just apply it in a dabbing motion on your face. As you can see in the video already, you'll apply it in the dabbing motion and it gets absorbed really quickly. You don't really have to do anything else, and yeah, that's how you apply it. It has 2% active vitamin C in it, and is made up of 100% real Kakadu plums. And now Kakadu plums have 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. So this is something, if you are a beginner you can definitely try. 2% is really mild. You can definitely try this product, because this is very mild. If you're a beginner, your skin will most probably not purge or break out, because this is a very introductory level of vitamin C. Again, as I said, this whole range is really good for beginners, and also it is very affordable. It retails for only 550 rupees, and you can also use my code to get 10% off. And in case you just want to try if vitamin C is your jazz, I think you should definitely go for, as I said, very gentle, very effective. Moving on to another product, that is the day cream. Now this is what that looks like. In case you don't want to for some reason go for a serum, you can try this as well, or you can just use them together in a whole routine. That would work as well. This is how I used it. So this is the Lakme 9 to 5 vitamin C plus day cream. This is how the packaging looks like. First of all, I really like the packaging. It's a tube packaging, so number one, it's very travel friendly. It is very hygienic. Comes in a tube packaging. You can just simply close it, and you know your product won't spill or get onto your luggage in case you're traveling with it. So that is something I do really like, and it retails for only 349, which is very good price for a day cream. So you're going to use it as a morning moisturizer. Number one, it's going to also protect your skin and also give you moisturization, which is something I feel like we all need, because in the daytime you don't want your skin, when you're going out or even if you're staying in, you want your skin to be protected from sun. So it is something that you can go for. Of course, I would suggest you guys, when you're using any of these products, make sure you do apply another sunscreen, a layer of sunscreen, of course. But this is something I think is a really good option if you are looking for a moisturizer for your daytime. Very runny, not very, but it is runny. So it's very liquidy, and it's very lightweight, as you can see. It won't take more than a minute, like literally less than a minute, to get absorbed onto your skin. It's again very lightweight, just like the serum, and you can just take little bit. You don't really need a lot of product. Although I'm a dry skin type, I still don't need a lot of the product of this, because I feel like it is very moisturizing for the little amount that you use. All right, so you can just take some and apply it, even if you're on oily skin. I think all these products work great for all skin types. So no matter if you're a dry skin, oily skin, these will work for you, because they're very lightweight and moisturizing products. And no matter if you're an oily skin type or a combination skin type, you do need some moisturization, so that is great. Also, when you do apply it, it gives your skin that instant glow. And in case you are a dewy skin girl, like you like that dewy skin, it looks really good. So it gives you that glow, but it still doesn't look oily. Alright, so talking about the night cream, this is how that looks like. Literally the same packaging as the day cream. It just says right here that it's a night cream. This is how that looks like. Now when you talk about the night cream, it has glycerin, it has shea butter, and has muruburu butter. So it is a lot more thicker than the day cream. It repairs and it gives you that good looking skin when you wake up the next morning. So this is exactly that. Like, you need to really massage it into your skin so that it gets absorbed into your skin, and it will do its magic during the night time. So I like to apply it in a very blending and massaging motion. For the serum and for the day cream, I like the dabbing and massaging motion, but this one needs a lot of massaging motion. Why? Because I like that, because at the night time I want my skin muscles to relax. I want my face to literally calm down and take the day off, because I want it to be ready to sleep off. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. In case you guys would like to check these products out, I'll leave all the links in the description box, and you can also use my coupon code to get 10% off for all these products. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was helpful to you guys, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.